too relaxed.
Dad yesterday was...
What the hell? How do you get that up? I feel like I'm let down. Right. What a lovely car you've got.
Thank you.
It's very nice. Okay. So we are... Oh, I've sat very close now. You can see my big head. There we go. Right, how's that looking from outside? Looking good. People are going to be like, wait, what is going on? Yeah, tell everyone why we're in your car. Millie.
Why we're here?
Where are we? Where are we?
We're in my little car. We are. To try and see if I'm less hesitation-y, which isn't a word, but I can't think of the right verb for it. In my own car. Is basically it.
Yeah, so we've noticed that in Jerry, you're a little reluctant, that's the word, to kind of go when you know full well it is safe to go and you have time. And we really want to nip this in the bud now because your driving is amazing. And we want to move on to the manoeuvres and things like that. You've got tests coming up soon in December.
Don't remind me.
We need to get this sorted, and as a result, this is why we are in Feisty.
Yes.
Feisty the Fiesta, and it's a nice car. I'm just going to say, I'm putting it out there. It's lovely.
I even cleaned it for you yesterday.
Did
Not
you?
very well, granted.
Oh, bless
but
you.
it's clean.
It's much cleaner than my car. Look at the state of that thing. The dirty butt. So, without further ado, when you're ready, I'd like you to drive off.
Okay.
And when we get to the A36, we're going to be turning right.